eat this quick because what time we have to leave?
We're actually pushing for time. Oh, that was long. Mango sticky rice. Yeah. Our flight got delayed for 7 hours.
Yeah. It's actually fish.
Mate, one of the best airport food. If you're gonna get stuck, you might as well get stuck in Thailand, eh? Morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
So, we finally woke up early for once, but not for a great reason today.
Yeah, it's our last day.
Yeah, we're actually heading home today, back to the UK.
It actually feels nice to wake up early.
Literally throughout this whole trip, I don't think we have woken up like early at all, really.
I would say time we did.
Yeah, we actually did quite a bit. But since we got to Bangkok, we haven't.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's been nice. This trip has been lovely.
It's actually breezy today as well.
Yeah, Thailand has been amazing. People, the country.
Yeah,
So we definitely will come back. It is definitely on our list.
We
to come
want to
back
try another part, so maybe like Chiang Mai.
here. Yeah, we'll come back to it. Yeah.
Look at the areas.
Well, we'll still show you guys what's our journey for today. We are waiting for our mango sticky rice
Yes, finally.
to come.
I didn't get it yesterday because I was so full.
Yeah, obviously our trusty Grab food.
But last night we did go to this place across the road, which they also sell congee and curry, which was quite nice.
Yeah. What? Can't wait. Come along. Let's see us pack for the day.
Yep. Sad.
Let's go. We were here yesterday, didn't we? No, when did this side? That one. Yeah. It's actually nice here today, you know. It's so much
a lot
cooler. Yeah.
So, tip is wake up early in the morning.
No, I think it's just cooler today in general. Even last night I feel a bit chilly.
No, but still, if you wake up early in the morning, you can experience that, local culture, innit?
We're trying to look for some mangoes to take home.
We didn't know you can buy mangoes.
Yeah.
Oh, but there's one under.
Which one?
Under.
Yeah.
We gotta wait for them to come.
So, got ourselves. I got a Thai milk tea. And Mon got a ham. Yeah, Mon got a ham and spinach Danish toasty.
And then got some vitamin C. Stay hydrated on the plane.
Yeah. That drink was good, man.
Yeah, we only had it once.
Yeah.
It'll be our second time.
Yeah, you can get that at every 7-Eleven
Yeah.
really, and much needed here because it's so hot, so you feel dehydrated all the time. Needed. And it's only like what, 16 baht?
Yeah, it wasn't that
Yeah,
bad.
not much at all. What a lovely country. Definitely coming back here again.
We finally got it.
Yeah.
Eat this quick because what time we have to leave?
10. Yeah, gotta leave here for 10. We're actually pushing for time. Oh, that was long. But yeah, let's go. Mango sticky rice. Got myself a pad thai.
And this chocolate milk, worth the hype.
So, we'll see you guys when we're making our way to the airport.
Oh, it's coming to the end now. Goodbye.
We're here.
So we arrived here early, but
I mean, we arrived here on time. It's early. Our flight is at 1:20. We
I
got
thought
at 11.
it was quite early. I
Yeah.
woke up, but unfortunately we can't check in.
Yeah.
So
Our
very
flight got
scary.
delayed for 7 hours.
Yeah.
So apparently we won't get any news until 6 p.m. Perfect. 7 hours. So yeah, be fun.
We'll see. We might be here. We might go home.
Maybe it's a sign. I'm telling ya, Thailand don't want us to leave. It's been 3.5 hours. I still don't know when we can go yet. They said they will announce at 6.
Yeah. We'll be eating right now.
I know. This is probably the longest that we have gone since this whole trip without food. Wish us luck.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. Whatever outcome
Never
it is.
know. Might be an extended trip in Thailand. More content.
See you in a bit.
Mon's not impressed. See you.
Still here.
Still here. So the time is now 8:28. We're actually stuck here. Yeah. Guess where we go?
7-Eleven.
So let's eat it.
It's actually fish.
Mate, one of the best airport food. I mean, I just said to Mon that obviously it's not ideal being stuck in another country, but if you're gonna get stuck, you might as well get stuck in Thailand, eh? So guys, we actually got a flight.
We're moving.
Yeah, but we only got 20 minutes to get to the gate. Let's go! Made it. So 14 hours. Might as well put it home. Hello guys. Made it guys. Yeah. Got our bags now. Let's head home. I can show you guys.
Very tired.
Yeah, we're very tired. Nearly there. It's so cold.
I actually quite like it.
Actually, compared to normal temperature here, this is actually quite warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally when you come back from holiday it'll be raining, so can't complain.
Oh, don't jinx it. Let's see.
I guess I spoke too soon because
You
it
jinxed
is
it.
raining. We had a long flight.
Yeah.
Long flight.
100%.
And now we're gonna have McDonald's breakfast.
Yay. Do you want pancake? Yeah.
Yeah, pancake and sausage.
Could I also get a pancake and sausage meal, please? Drink?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, please. Cheers. My bad. Sorry.
Thank you.
Need to sleep.
Yeah, we do. So tea was given extra. So
It's
clearly,
£16. I give
yeah,
him 40
it was
quid.
£16 and he gave me £40. So clearly we're
We need
still
to
holiday
sleep.
mode. We're gonna eat and then probably sleep with noodles.
It's the same as when we had to pay for the time back, didn't it?
Yeah.
Instead of 100, I gave them 1,000.
Yeah.
Thailand, take me back.
Thank you.
Good day.
Thank you.
We're home. Let's go see our son.
Noodles. Hello. Hello. You got your new toys.
Hey guys. Noodles. So, we are home. Having our McDonald's. Let's show you guys as the usual hash browns, cheesy flatbread, muffin, and one got
And pancake and sausage.
pancake and sausage, and see hot chocolate
Yeah.
and noodles. But yeah, see you guys in the next vlog.
See you guys in a bit.
See you.